How to add music to Messenger Story from Android phone. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's get started. Now the option to add music on your Messenger Story directly is not available. So for that, we're going to open up our Facebook app. Now from here, tap on Create Story. Then tap on this camera button at the bottom right corner of your screen. From here, simply record a video because you're not able to add music to a text story. After you have recorded a video, tap on Sound. Now you want to drag the slider all the way down or simply tap on the mute button. After the original sound has been muted, tap on Add Music if you want to add a music, or you can also tap on Add Voiceover to add your own voice. I'm going to select Music. After selecting the song, you can simply tap on Share. Once it has been shared to your Facebook story, it is also going to be shared on your Messenger story. And that's it for this video. We hope you guys found it helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.